Hi, this is the tutorial guide how to format flash drive or USB drive using command prompt from Windows 7, 8, and 10. Now we are using operating system of Windows 10. Just to do is open your Windows Home, start from here and type cmd command prompt and put this part and say yes for the authorization administration. Now we are in the DISKPART command prompt administration. Now plug in your USB drive in your laptop or in your desktop. Now I have the USB drive pop up. You see it here? My USB drive is now plugged in. Now let us see. First, we need to put it in this disk to see our information drive. In our information drive, in this zero, this is our hard drive in our laptop, and this is the disk one, and this is our flash drive, or we call it disk drive storage. Then you select it like typing, select this one. Now we have the selected piece. You can do it then the second stage by putting clean. Now the drive is clean and it is pop up, and create partition primary. Now our USB flash drive has already made the creating partition. Now let us format it. At 32, and we're gonna put it quick by formatting fast. If you see like this, the command that we made is wrong. Then we're gonna do again by format at 32. FS at 32. Let's try it. Valid at 32. I think I have a mistake, and this is how I get again. Format FS at 32 and quick. Now the USB drive is formatting and putting a sign, or you can put it no assign also. It depends upon to us if you're gonna put some assign drive letter. Let us see the Explorer. USB drive D. Now already it has a letter. And that's it. And exit.